Flexiplan is only suitable for GrameenPhone. GP is a networking company in Bangladesh, so obviously this video for Bangladeshi viewers only. Download the Flexiplan apps from Play Store. I have already installed it. Let's open. Here, you can choose your desired internet, talk time, SMS with your favorite validity time. To choose, just touch the required number. There you will find the cost of your package, with a very good saving percentage. After all set, click on Buy Now. Then at a glance they will show you all sumaries of your package and ask for confirmation. You can buy package for other number also, just change the number, like as in the screen do. And after confirm, they will send you a confirmation SMS. That's all I want to help you all time by giving you various necessary news about technology. I hope you will stay with me by responcing the like, comments and share. Thank you.